Yes, the property needs work and the price reflects this. Welcome to the charming village of Voditsa, nestled in the scenic Bulgarian countryside, where time moves just a little slower and the air feels a little fresher. Imagine standing at the entrance of a peaceful, authentic Bulgarian home, filled with history, stories, and enormous potential. This is your opportunity to discover a true diamond in the rough, a traditional Bulgarian house for sale that's ready to be brought back to life. As you approach the Voditsa property, you're greeted by the soft rustling of leaves and the gentle chirping of birds, a natural soundtrack that perfectly matches the peaceful setting. The house stands on a generous 1,200 square meters of land, framed by old fruit trees that have stood the test of time. They are ready to bear cherries, apples, plums, and more for years to come. The garden stretches out before you like a canvas, just waiting for your personal touch. Whether that's a vegetable plot, a flower-filled retreat, or a landscaped oasis, this rural Bulgarian house is steeped in character. Though it needs a lot of restoration, the bones are strong. The foundation is built of massive stone, giving the entire structure a grounded, solid feel. This was once the village shop, and two of the main rooms still reflect that history with generous space and wide windows. Ideal for conversion into a grand living area, art studio, or even a charming country cafe if you're thinking commercially. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious corridor leading to 3 good-sized rooms and a kitchen. Each space holds the echoes of years gone by. Simple wooden doors, traditional layout, and thick walls that keep the house warm in winter and cool in summer. There's something deeply honest about this home. Something that speaks of roots, of heritage, and the promise of a slower, richer life. Below the main floor, a large stone basement opens up endless possibilities. Picture a cozy wine cellar, a rustic guest suite, or practical storage for all your gardening tools. These old Bulgarian homes were built for function and endurance, and this one is no exception. Now, step outside again. To your left, there's a beautiful outdoor fireplace with a quaint stone seating area built around it. Imagine summer nights here with friends, family, or even just a glass of local Bulgarian wine and a good book. It's the kind of space that makes memories. Behind the house, the large barn stands tall, along with several outbuildings, all in usable condition. These are treasure trove for anyone with a bit of vision. Workshop, guest house, hobby farm. With the size and layout of this property in Bulgaria, the potential is only limited by your imagination. The home is already connected to water and electricity, 2 major steps already handled, so you can begin renovations right away. And the location? Simply ideal. Voditsa is a peaceful village with a tight-knit community. You're just a 15-minute drive from Popovo, which offers supermarkets, doctors, banks, restaurants, and more. Even better, the cultural and commercial hubs of Ruse and Veliko Tarnovo are only an hour away, giving you easy access to larger cities without sacrificing the peace of the countryside. In the village itself, you'll find a shop, a small bar, a school, a kindergarten, a post office, and regular bus connections, everything needed for day-to-day life. The local people are friendly and welcoming, and the rhythm of life is slow and fulfilling. This is the kind of place where neighbors still greet each other on the street, where the evenings are quiet, and where you can truly breathe. This Bulgarian house for sale is perfect for someone seeking a personal project. Maybe you're dreaming of a holiday home that's truly yours, away from the tourist hotspots. Or perhaps you want to live year-round in Bulgaria and create a peaceful retreat with room to grow. Whether you're a retiree, an artist, an eco-living enthusiast, or just someone who wants more meaning in their days, this is your chance. Headphone now. Let's talk about the support you'll have along the way. With Nyama Problemi Limited, you're never alone. As Bulgaria's trusted property specialists, we offer complete guidance and services from start to finish, and beyond. Whether you need help with legal paperwork, connecting utilities, understanding property rights, or overseeing renovations, we've got you covered. Our full list of services includes legal and notarial assistance, translation of documents and communications, property maintenance and management, reliable renovation and construction partners, help with residency permits and immigration, setting up utilities like water, electricity, and internet, assistance with furniture sourcing and interior design, insurance guidance and cleaning services, airport transfers and car rentals, And yes, even help with finding the best local wine or restaurant. At Nyama Problemi Limited, our name says it all. No problem. We believe in making your property journey enjoyable, informed, and problem-free. When you buy Popovo real estate or any property in Bulgaria with us, you get more than just a home. You get a team that's committed to your success. Bullseye, so if you're ready to turn this Voditsa property into your next adventure, don't wait. The charm, potential, and soul of this rural Bulgarian house are calling. Reach out to Nyama Problemi Limited today to arrange your personal or virtual viewing, and let us help you make your vision a reality. Because sometimes, all it takes is the right place and the right people to change everything.